And there it is, all the way from GoPro. Well, I ordered it like 5 days ago and I paid the premium shipment. GoPro, what are you doing? Please, don't do this to me again, please. I paid like 15 euros for the fast shipment. Please, GoPro. Oh, wow. Okay. Okay. And there it is. Tasty bones. Sorry, but I ordered a premium package with the extra accessories. Where are they? There's nothing inside. Wait a second. I ordered a premium one. That's bizarre. That's very strange. GoPro, talk to me, goddammit. Anyway, there should be an extra tripod and extra battery, all kinds of stuff. Come on, what are you doing? Let's open it. Stop complaining. Let's open it. Maybe there's something inside. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Let me just change the lens. Here you go. Hyper smooth for all. We will test that. We'll definitely test that. 23 megapixels, 5K and 30 frames per second. All kinds of different action, my friend. All kinds. Here we go. Smells good. Your camera must be updated before you can use it. Okay, I'll do it. Okay, I will do it. I will do it. Wow. Okay. So I didn't get the extra accessories. Okay. I got the battery. I got the extra mount. I need this. I definitely need this. What else do we have here? We have stickers, which I really don't need, and warranty and stuff. And there it is. There it is, my friend. There it is. GoPro 9. I mean 10. It's 10. Wow. You know what? I remember how quickly I scratched the front facing screen in the previous GoPro 9. So I'll not peel off this sticker. Definitely peel off this one. Bam. Must be updated. Why so many warnings? Why so many warnings? And how can I remove the sticker? There's nothing to. Come on. Okay, maybe like this. Okay. It feels very light. Very light. Okay, let's use this in English. I agree. It's on. To continue, I have to do it. So you have to have an internet connection and a smartphone to just to start this GoPro. That's what if you in some location where there is no internet? Come on, seriously? Okay, let's do it. It is updated. There's very little battery, only 5%. Okay, so how does it work? It works way smoother than the 9. Let me just pop up the 9. Let me just show you the 9. Come on. See? I think it's way smoother. If we go to the settings. Oh yeah. the difference is huge.
Unfortunately, even with the latest firmware Max Lens mode, it's not more working. Update required. I have the latest update. I just updated. I checked for the latest update. This is the latest one. Well, it fits, you know, but it's not working. Let's see the firmware. About GoPro updates. See? There's no more updates. Wow. 5K, 60 frames per second. I have like 75% of the battery. I lose 25% on the standby. That just, I don't know. That's what it is. Come on, people, come on. Yes. We have the incredible footage, my friend. Let's put it into the water. I don't have a... Can I? Okay, let's do it like this. Wow. Fantastic. Well, there is a one. No, there's nothing on the lens. So it's very nice, very slippery. Wait, lens is a bit dirty. Let me just clean it. Okay, it's clean now. Let's do it one more time. Oh wow, and the lens is clean. Great success! GoPro 10, how's the sound quality? Well, good light conditions. What is it? Fanta? Or something else? I think we need to do Fanta. One more time.
Sound quality good? Is the speakers on a GoPro are louder or better or that? They're pretty good. I love it. And that's basically it. GoPro 10 must have it. Way better than GoPro 9. The image quality, and especially in the 5K 60 frames per second. It is nice. Thanks for watching.